Hello everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we will talk about the first layer of OSI model, which is physical layer. As the first layer of OSI model, physical layer refers to transmission media, such as cables and optical fibers. Components like SFP optical modules and engines on device are all part of physical layer. When studying OSI model, some people like to focus on transmission media, such as how to make cables or splice optical fibers. But these are not very important in most cases. Instead, it's more important to understand how to assemble new device and what parameters to check. This knowledge is highly relevant to our work. In addition, in the physical layer, we also need to know more about optical fiber transceivers or hub. In short, the physical layer is composed of transmission media and physical device, which usually have no debugging space and are essentially hardware components. However, we still need to learn about them, because physical layer failures are common in project. That's all for today's sharing. If you have any question or other technology you want to learn, please leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe my channel. See you next time.